Hey everybody, my name is Ross Simmons, and in this video, I'm going to be talking through how in Distribution.ai you can put your podcast on autopilot. I just wrapped up a new podcast episode for Create Like the Greats. And in this video, I want to share how I can take the content that I just created, upload it to Distribution.ai, and in the matter of seconds, have everything that I need to repackage, repurpose, and announce and promote that episode. So, what do? Well, the first thing I need to do is ensure that I'm in the podcast engine section of Distribution.ai. You can use a social engine, distribution engine, but for this video in particular, we're talking about the podcast. I'm going to then either upload a link directly to an episode that might already exist, or in this case, where I'm literally uploading something from the ground up, having written a title for it, haven't done any of that, I'm going to upload the episode, and then within the matter of minutes, I'm going to have everything I need to get that episode live. Let's get through it. So I click browse files. I'm going to upload this. It's uploading now. As it uploads, the AI tool is listening to the podcast episode. Or at this step, it's not listening. Right now, it's just getting uploaded. The next step, when I get into the generate side, it's going to start listening to it. So right now, my file is being uploaded to Distribution.ai. Then I'm going to be able to generate content based off of that recording. All right, so the podcast uploaded successfully. As you can see, it's right here. I am going to hit that generate button. From there, it's going to use the brand voice that I selected, which was a growth catalyst, combine that with the basic style to guide that I added, and it's going to take it from a microphone into a masterpiece. So it's working on creating all of the content based off of that MP3 file that I've uploaded, and I'll show it to you in a second. All right, so it's just been a few seconds, literally not even a minute. And now I have all of this content right here. So the episode title, The Power of Publishing Research, SEO, AI, and Marketing Insights, nails it. I love that. That's exactly what I talked about in this episode. Gives me an episode summary, gives me some timestamps around the podcast and the episode itself. All of this material is here. Brings out a few links to things that I talked about. Amazing. Again, some timestamps, join the conversation, gives me a template for where they can reach me. This is gold. That's just the show notes. We also have a summary. We have a transcript. We have a blog post that we can now publish. We have LinkedIn posts that we can publish, as well as posts that we can share on X. This is where the gold exists. Instead of just pressing publish on this podcast and hoping that I could create more, I now have a blog post that I can publish around this topic, that I can embed the content at the beginning. So I can take this podcast and upload it at the top. I now have all of this here that I can copy and paste over into WordPress or whatever CMS I have. It's a simple button here to copy it all, copies to my clipboard, paste it in. I'm off and running. I have the show notes now that I can copy again, paste right into Spotify, upload that in the matter of seconds, and then have that scheduled. This is the power of Distribution.ai. It used to take hours to write all of this. It used to take hours to listen to an episode and write all of this. It used to take a couple minutes to write LinkedIn posts to promote the piece. But these are also all here. Folks, Distribution.ai available now. Ridiculous shortcut for how to distribute your podcast.